large crowds and the elements can make the game that much more exciting. But after the season ends, the wear these stressors have on the stadium can quickly be seen. Corrosion, movement, and recurrent freeze and thaw cycles cause the concrete structures to crack, spall, and disintegrate. And the water seeping through surface cracks will cause severe structural damage. Seats and bleachers will crack, splinter, and decay. And supporting steel supports rust, discoloring and fracturing the surrounding concrete. With over a century of experience and a robust team of experts, Western Specialty Contractors follows a proven playbook to combat, restore, and prevent wear on stadiums across the U.S. and combines technical know-how with financial responsibility to restore your stadium in time for opening day. Get your stadium back on its feet and your fans back on theirs with the team at Western Specialty Contractors.